Here's another hack for you. You want to watch this video to the end. If you're creating any type of content, you need to be using ChatGPT because it simply just makes your life easier. It can give you content ideas, descriptions, captions, everything. But I understand that sometimes you just don't feel like signing into Google. The fastest way that I get to ChatGPT is by using the Nova app. Every time I want to rewrite something or have a question, I just open up the app and start talking. What's the definition of cryptocurrency? And simplify it so that a kid can understand it. Just imagine how much your rate of learning things will increase. See, in school, I feel like they taught us that we need to work like really hard to make money. And yes, there's some truth to that. But I feel like the more knowledge and information you understand, the more valuable you become as a person, because you get to know things that other people don't know. So then they need you. So now you're valuable. So I feel like this helps you so much, like just soak up as much information as possible so that you can give it to others. And when we give the information that we know to others, we get this exchange of energy, which we usually call money. And I feel like when we get a deeper understanding for things and we know how it works, we're able to make it work no matter what it is. If it's like things or health or wealth or love or happiness. So on my laptop, I use AI PRM the most. And on my phone, I use the Nova app. And with those two things, I'm able to soak up so much knowledge at such a rapid rate. And let me know in the comments if you like content like this, and I'll keep putting it out. Like and subscribe, and thank you. I'll see you in the next one.